Ngiba nenhliziyo ehlanjululwe, Lord. Have mercy on me, O God. Nyakela ngisuisono sami. Wash away my guilt. Nioshe ububi bami. Cleanse me from iniquity. Ukubuyiselwa. Restoration is here. Ngiyathokoza, I'm renewed in your love, dear Ukubuyiselwa. Healing is mine. Ngiyonga, I'm restored in your design. Ngazi ukuthi isono sami against you I sinned. I did what is evil, didn't hide my sin. Ngikoshe, wash me, that I may be clean. Ihlambulule, purify me, make me new within. Ubufuki bami, my foolishness is known. Ngisuse, remove my transgressions, Lord. Nyakela Ukubuyiselwa. Restoration is here. Ngiyathokoza, I'm renewed in your love, dear Ukubuyiselwa. Healing is mine. Ngiyabonga, I'm restored in your design. But darling, inhliziyo ehlanzekile, a heart that's pure, renew in me, a spirit that's true, Lord, please. Ngisuse kude, take away my sin. Ngisuse and make me whole again within. Ngifundise, teach me your ways, oh God. Ngiyakulonda, I'll follow you with a heart that's glad. Against you, you alone, I sinned and did wrong. Have mercy, Lord, and make me new, strong. In your presence, I'll find my peace. In your love, I'll forever rest. Ukubuyiselwa. Restoration is here. Ngiyathokoza, I'm renewed in your love, dear Ukubuyiselwa. Healing is mine. Ngiyabonga, I'm restored in your design. Ngiyabonga for restoration's power. Ngiyathokoza in your love, child.